I've made a mess. So as you can see, I'm in the throes of doing a lot of different stuff, but unfortunately this week's video is going to be delayed. I'm sorry guys, it is because of commitments on customer cars and life stuff that's kind of happening at the moment. So the full episode of what we're doing this week will not be out this week, will only be out next week. But as you can see, I'm in the throes of taking out the engine, and we're going to prep it basically to go for a whole bunch of bits to go off for machining and getting ready for dry sump work and all of that. So we're going to attack that in the next episode. So yeah, we're going to be delayed on this one, but the good news is that I'm going to start uploading weekly, and what I'm going to do is basically take you through all the customer car stuff and kind of film all of that for you and what we're doing there. So like I said, we're busy with Economides BM, so that's an E36 with the M42B24. It's quite a modified B30, similar to my 328 B30 build, the M52. That's a nice one, that's got throttle bodies. So we've got a couple of challenges there. The Golf, we're busy with some cool stuff there, so I'm going to show you what we're doing there. This one, we're busy with different stuff. We're going to carry on with the Fiesta, then we're going to finalize that. So yeah, and then we've got the other projects that we're lining up for. So I'll be uploading weekly from now on to try and just get content out. So it might not be the same kind of, let's say, project-based stuff. It's going to be more daily stuff, but at least you guys will get an insight as to what's happening and why things take so long sometimes. And it's also only me here, so the guy that was helping me dropped me again, and but I've got my good old friend Johannes starting with me 1 September. So there's also other work we're looking at taking on, because essentially, for this operation to work and to sustain itself, it needs to have some sort of income, and the YouTube revenue is just not cutting it. So it's almost nothing, in terms of the revenue. So basically, we're going to change things up a bit, and yeah, I'm going to show you what we're going to do. But this project is very close to my heart, and this is a very, very cool project I'm super excited for. We're almost there with the payments on the dry sump. Thank you everybody that's contributed. If you're interested in contributing towards this dry sump project, my PayPal details will be in the description. Please, you can feel more than welcome to shoot me some money, and it's really greatly appreciated. I've also stocked up on new hats if you want, and I can organize your shirts if you want. So send me a DM. You can send me a DM on my socials, Instagram SSBB, Facebook SSBB, or just in the comments, and send me your email, and then I'll shoot you an email. So awesome. Thank you guys. Sorry about this. We'll see you next time. Ciao.